If you write apps with SwiftUI, you've probably used the environment to inject values into the view hierarchy. And you probably also had to create your own environment key and environment values property in order to store custom values into the environment. And I'm sure you felt that all the code you had to write was really the kind of boilerplate that any engineer would love to automatically generate. Well, the good news is that since Xcode 16, it's now become possible to very easily generate that code. Now you no longer need to explicitly create an environment key and then use it to implement a new complete property of environment values. Instead, you can simply declare an extension to environment values, declare your property, give it a default value, and finally, annotate it with the new @entry macro. And if we expand the macro to see what code it generates, we'll see that it produces the exact same code than we had to write by hand before. Even better, since the code is generated at compile time, this macro has no requirement for a minimum version of iOS. And by the way, this macro is not limited to environment values. There are some other contexts where it can also be used. Make sure you read the documentation to find out about them. That's all for this video. I hope that you've enjoyed learning about this new feature of SwiftUI. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next ones. Thank you for watching and see you next time.